What is going on, guys? So I just got out of school. I had work earlier. Just made it over to Mastiff Performance. I came over here to check on Jeff Smith's 03, or actually 04 Cobra. It's a competition orange Cobra. He is doing a TVS to 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger swap. He's doing the Gen 3 crusher model. That's the same thing I want to do on mine. I currently run the same supercharger he used to run. I wanted to come over here, film a little bit of stuff for you guys, and I hope to be able to go along with Jeff on the dyno. I'll insert some clips here of Jeff throwing some gear.
The Terminator got him by, what, 2/10?
Jeff competes on a lot of stick shift races, so he's a very good driver, and his car is a consistent low 10 car. It's been a best of 9.8, I believe. So yeah, let's go check on the car. And in case you're not familiar, this is my 03 Cobra. I did decide to drive it today, so we're gonna go check on these guys.
What's up, Mr. Andrew?
What's up?
What's happening, man?
Not much. We'll go with the old pumpkin. So here is the Whipple itself. This is the Gen 3, which does look significantly different than the other ones. Here's Jeff's car. They got the blower off already. Obviously, same thing as I have on my Cobra, the Metco idlers. And the blower's there. Intake comes with that. Lower intake manifold, intercooler. He was running the ID 1000 injectors, fuel rails, basically everything laid out. That is massive. Just for reference, that is the old supercharger. Same thing I have on my car, and this is the new Whipple. So we're waiting for the paint to dry on the manifold. George likes to clean everything up, make it look nice. So we're waiting for that to dry, and we're gonna pick this up Monday. So I'll check in with you guys in just a sec. And just like that, the blower is on. I think they're just waiting for a few more pieces to come in for this car. Alright, so that's probably going to wrap up for the Whipple install for Jeff's car. If I got a clip of the first startup, I will insert it here. And yeah, so I'm really excited. I want to be, hopefully I'll go with Jeff to the dyno to see it, get dyno tuned, record it, and I'll insert some more clips of the car running from before, and I'll basically, you know, wrap it up here. So guys, as always, make sure you slap that like button down below. Leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, so I just got home here. I got a package in here from Ontario, Canada. So let's take a look at it. So this just came in the peel box, and let's tear her open. And we got some t-shirts, that's pretty cool. It all starts from a dig. Very nice. I got 2 here. Let's see. Let's see what this letter here says. Alright, the letter says, "Hey Andrew, I love your channel. Keep doing what you're doing. I've included a few t-shirts for you that I know that you will like. Please feel free to share them on your channel." And the website's right there, Queen of Trends. These are really cool. Looks like we got one for me and one for Ashley. And it says, "All starts from a dig." Very cool.